The WhatsApp revolution. Send money without leaving your chat. So hey guys, the friction of traditional finance, the app switching problem. The cash transfer force users to leave their conversation open, a banking portal, and manually enter details, a costly context switch penalty. And the 70% still use QR scanning. Most UPI payments rely on QR codes, yet the process remains now intuitive and disjoint for the average users. The hidden cost, every extra step introduce friction, and friction kills financial behavior. Simplicity is the competitive edge. So the power of in-chat integration, your 4 steps to send money. First, tap the attachment icon, select payment, enter the amount, and then confirm with your UPI PIN. And to encryption and personal UPI PIN, protect every transaction built into infrastructure. And why it works: the invisible bank instant delivery. Recipient gets a chat notification and funds deposit via UPI in real time. No waiting, no confirmation screens, and built-in records. Payment history lies directly inside the chat. Thread searchable, timestamp, and always accessible without digging through a banking app. Money goes social by turning communication hub into transaction hub. Maat's app mirrors the natural social nature of money itself. To the future commerce, step 1, simple chat. Step 2, in-chat payments. And step 3, social commerce. And step 4, full financial utility. Easy as that. So there you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Of course, sabi ako guys. How to as soon as possible. And thank you guys.